Happening today, a big day in Marion County. We are just hours away from the mask mandate going into effect. Face coverings will be required in all indoor places other than your home. The same goes outdoors when you cannot stay a safe distance from others. This all starts at 8 this morning. Now, there are some exemptions. The order does not apply for babies and toddlers under 2. Those who have a medical, physical, or health-related reason are in a health care facility where wearing a face covering could prevent you from receiving proper care, and people experiencing homelessness are exempt, along with people in jail, those who have a job where wearing a face mask presents a safety risk, while you're eating in a restaurant or bar, or when you're exercising either outside or in. Another exception, news studios where social distancing is possible, but the bottom line is have your mask ready as you head out the door this morning.
News 8's Hannah Mordeau begins our live team coverage in Indianapolis. Mask mandate starts at 8 o'clock. You've been out. Have you seen any differences so far?
So far this morning, I've seen just a few people, and only one of them has been wearing a mask. For the most part, people out here haven't been, but that includes people exercising and jogging, so they don't have to have a mask at that point. Now, again, this mask mandate goes into effect in 2 hours, and doctors I've spoke with say science really backs this push for everybody wearing a mask.
COVID, number one, probably is most spread by some aerosolized mechanism, more so than even surface contact. And it appears that basic masking does reduce that spread.
Doctors at IU Health Methodist Hospital tell me that they are confident in the latest research, saying that masks help stop the spread of COVID-19. They say that this coronavirus is most often spread by droplets and aerosols. So what's that? Basically, doctors say they're virus-filled spit or microscopic particles that are spread from an infected person's mouth when they cough, sneeze, or just talk. The problem is people don't have to be showing any symptoms to spread the virus. Doctors say we are seeing progress in other countries where masking mandates are in place. So while there were mixed mask messages back in March and April from the CDC, they are clear now that we should all wear masks to protect others.
We can, as a medical community, tell you wholeheartedly that the science is there now. The science behind masking is real. It's corroborated and supported. So wear your mask. Help your neighbor, wear your mask. Help us get rid of this disease. Let us get back to normal life.
So we can all agree that actually wearing our masks, yes, it is cumbersome. It is hot. It's not the most comfortable thing to do, but doctors say it is safe and you can safely breathe while wearing a mask. Now, outside, you can socially distance. If you're in Indianapolis, you will not have to have a mask on at that point. In fact, that's what we're doing right now. Live joining me is News 8's Katie Wisely. And Katie, officials, they're really focused on education and enforcement.
Exactly. So education is first, and you know, they're really saying they're wanting people to understand why it's important to wear a mask. But if you choose to not wear a mask, you refuse to wear one outside, the city of Indianapolis says that there will definitely be enforcement. Now, we want to show you on your screen an image from the Marion County Sheriff's Office. They posted this on Twitter. They're asking that people do not call the 911 dispatch center to report violation of the new public health order. It can prevent people with true emergencies from getting help faster. Now, in regards to enforcement, this is not something that police will handle, only the Marion County Health Department. Violating the public health order can bring a fine up to $1,000. Officials did not confirm, though, the minimum penalty. Now, reports of people not wearing masks should be made to the Emergency Operations Center, and officials say someone will respond with enforcement. That number is right there on your screen, 317-221-5500.
Now, on July 4th, we had 2 races out at the IMS, no fans. The men and women that were down there on the track in the pit crew at 129 degrees were wearing their masks for the entire race. I think if they can do this, I can too.
Hopefully there's some type of crackdown so people are a little more concerned about it and try to actually wear their masks more.
Governor Holcomb is behind the mask mandate. He believes government orders to mask up amid the pandemic are constitutional and scientifically proven to reduce the spread of coronavirus. Now, again, this mandate goes into effect in just 2 hours to wear these masks out here in Marion County. But one thing to note, though, is that we're not really sure when the ending date is to where you can stop wearing these masks. But for now, starting at 8 o'clock, it is mandatory here in Marion County. In Indianapolis, Katie Wisely, Wish TV KTVB.com and follow us on Facebook.
And Katie, free masks will be handed out this afternoon to